Alright, y'all. Got my son helping me out. Alright, so this video is to show how to fix a Monte Carlo. I got a 2006. I think they're all the same until like 2012, somewhere around there, when they switched the body style. I don't know if they switched everything on the inside, but the body style changed. Anyways, I got a 2006 Impala LS. Car will not start. So these are the symptoms I'm having. So turn the key to the on position. Alright, don't try to start it. Everything works. Windows, locks, stereo works, sound and everything. The trunk release works, headlights, everything like that all works. Interior lights, everything else, whatever. Now let's try to start it. Try to start it, that's all you get. Right there. You see he's turning the key. Nothing. You're not even getting any crank or anything like that. And as well, right here, got my foot on the brake. Your gear selector lights do not turn on. He's shifting the gears. The gear selector does not turn on. And then also, you put it back in park. Hit the button right above the check. Right here. Your car isn't registering that it's even in park, so it wouldn't start either way. Because, and I heard neutral safety switch could be the issue, BCM, PCM, computers fried, all that type of stuff. That wasn't the issue that I was having. The issue I was having was near the engine. Of course, I spent a lot of time trying to figure this out. Of course, I messed with the fuse box. All these wires and everything over here, all these wires, fuses and everything, try to fix that, charge my battery up, check the battery, make sure all that was working. My issue came from the battery down through the ground wire to the engine, and these wires right here were preventing it from starting. So right here, I'm gonna have him try to start the car. I'm gonna push these wires up and get a good connection. Right here. Hold on. Hold on one second. Okay, try it. Stop. All right, try it. All right, hold on. All right, try it now. And these wires are just tore up. Try it. All right, go ahead. And there you go. That's what it is. Car running just fine. Take your fingers off those wires, engine stops immediately. Now everything in the car works. The gear selector starts working when you get those wires together. Car runs just fine. Like I said, I was at a gas station, or maybe I didn't say yet. I was at a gas station when this happened. Just filled up, put 30 in the tank. Car was running just fine. I went to start it, and that's exactly what happened. So had to get it towed back home. And was kind of looking up stuff on forums, on YouTube and everything for a few days, trying to figure out what the issue was, and I could not find the issue. So I just came out here and I started kind of messing with everything, and it was actually pretty stupid. But I know a lot of people go through this, and maybe they'll get it towed to a shop, and you might get screwed. They might figure it out and say you need a whole new computer. Who knows? I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is something that you can fix by yourself very easily. It's like basically hooking up a car stereo. You just come down here, which I haven't done yet. I'm giving y'all this in real time. I just figured it out, so I made the video right away to help everyone out. But basically, I'll just strip these wires, add some new copper wire. I'm gonna get a close-up of these wires and just show you how bad they actually are. Like, let me zoom in right there. I mean, that's just terrible. I'm not gonna diss GM or anything and just say they make faulty designs and bad ground wires and stuff. Like, that's not really what I'm trying to do here. Just want to help everybody out because this could have cost me a lot. I was gonna get it towed to a shop actually, but I figured I'm gonna try to fix it myself first. And I did figure out the issue, so I'll probably do a follow-up video showing y'all how I fixed it. But I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory at this point. After you figure out the problem, you can figure out how to fix something. But basically, there wasn't power getting to the engine, I'm figuring, or whatever block that is. I don't know all the technical terms and everything. I'm a computer geek. I don't really do cars, but I do know a lot of simple stuff. Anyways, that was my issue. My battery was good and everything, but just wanted to put that out there. Hopefully it helps someone. Like if you can, and definitely comment. If you're having a similar type of issue, comment and say what your issue was, you know, so it can help someone else out that's having an issue like this, because it can get really pricey if people are telling you it's your ignition switch or it's your PCM or your computer's fried or you need to get your whole entire car rewired or something like that, and it's something simple and stupid like this. Just these two wires right here that aren't getting a connection to the engine. So that's it. I'm out. Make sure you comment and like, and that's it. Peace.